Okay, so with today's project we're just going to give this a clean up. We're not sure what this is on here, but we're going to start off with using some Timber Magic furniture cleaner before we see what else is going on with it. So we'll start off with that and then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, so we've given it a clean. It's still got quite a few marks on there. It's got a lot of little nicks and scratches. We're going to touch them up with the black brown scratch fix pen because that'll blend in a bit better. And then we're just going to do a black wax with steel wool and then give it a buff up and see how that comes out. Okay, so just to keep the video short, we're just going to pause the video, we'll go over and do all these nicks and marks and scratches and come back and show you the next step from there. Okay, so now we've done all the touch-ups the best we can get it, and now I'm going to use some finishing wax, black finishing restoring wax, Aussie Furniture Care. So we're going to put it on with some steel wool. And you just need to be going in one direction. Just going with the grain. You can put a bit of pressure on it. This will get it. Most of the in-ground marks off it, and it's pushing the wax into the surface. You don't need a lot of wax, just a thin layer, just a thin coat. Just a bit more on the top. Okay, so just need to leave that for a couple of minutes to dry and then give it a buff off with a clean cloth. Okay, so now we're just going to give it a buff off. Just get the wax off there. Usually just need to give it about 10 to 15 minutes to dry the wax. It'll make it come off a lot easier. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so